Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd of September. And first of all, national news. Unable to process visas for Canadians due to security situation. Center. ISRO preparing to revive Pragyan rover. Vikram lander as dawn breaks on moon. Kerala school used voting machines for student election. 12 medical students suspended for ragging juniors in Himachal College. Aadhaar not must for admission of economically weaker students. High Court. Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Center unveiled new awards to be given on National Space Day. Supreme Court rejected Tamil Nadu's plea for more Kaveri water amid drought concerns. Ready to discuss India-China border standoff in Lok Sabha, Rajnath Singh. And now some international news. Japan said workers stole possibly radioactive metal from Fukushima. Russia helping North Korea would threaten peace, South Korea told UN. King Charles to address French Senate after urging stronger France-UK ties. Zelensky US trip comes at a really critical time, White House said. Rishi Sunak said UK will adopt realistic approach for net zero target. Australia launched 12-month-long investigation into its COVID response. And now some sports news. Asian Games 2023 Chinese Taipei down India 2-1 in women's football. Sunil Shetty strike down Bangladesh, keep India's Asian Games 2023 hopes alive. Asian Games Indian rowers entered final in men's lightweight and doubles sculls. Adani Ahmedabad Marathon 2023 to take place on November 26. Business related news. Household debt doubles in financial year 23, savings more than halves to 5.15% of GDP, SBI research. US Federal Reserve hold interest rates at 22-year high. Bank of England hold key interest rate at 5.25% after 14 hikes. India to clock 6.5% GDP growth in financial year 24 despite high crude oil prices, Niti Aayog member. And that's all in news. Thank you.